spring has come to the Shimane Peninsula. Beautiful cherry blossoms bloom along the coastline of Shimane-cho. The pale pink cherry blossoms create a vivid contrast against the blue of the sea. Unan City offers two prime spots for enjoying cherry blossoms in full bloom. Some 1,000 cherry blossom trees come into bloom along the banks of the Mitoya River. The reflection of the cherry blossoms on the river surface is also beautiful. Along the Hi River levee in Kasuki, nearly 800 cherry blossom trees form a tunnel of flowers. This prime spot has been selected as one of Japan's 100 best places to enjoy cherry blossoms. Akana Wetland is the living museum of nature, home to a wide range of precious plants. The arrival of spring breathes new life into the area. Spring has come to Mount Sanbei. Adorned by cherry blossoms, the view of Mount Sanbei from Nishinohara is calm and peaceful. The modest, delicate Okinagusa is one of the signature spring flowers of Mount Sanbei. Mount Akahage in Chibu Village. From March to May, the mountain slope is covered with charming pale purple wild radish flowers. The flowers of Okishakunage bloom gracefully. This very rare plant grows only on the Oki Islands. It's May in Mihoneseki, at the east end of the Shimane Peninsula. The vivid colors of azalea flowers along the small hill are a delight. the tender new leaves of the trees gently sway in the pleasant highland breeze. Deep purple Japanese iris flowers reflect splendidly on the surface of Himanoga Pond in late May. In June, ancient lotus flowers come into bloom. Seeds from nearly 3,000 years ago have been brought to life, transcending time and space.